Essential oils are like gifts from nature for our hair. They are derived from various parts of plants, including flowers, leaves, and roots, and are known for their potent properties. These oils are potent extracts from plants, capturing the essence and beneficial compounds that can enhance our hair's health. For centuries, many cultures have harnessed the power of essential oils. They have been used in traditional beauty and health practices across the globe. People have used them for their health and beauty benefits, incorporating them into daily routines to promote well-being. Essential oils can make your hair healthier and more beautiful. They can address various hair concerns from dryness to dandruff. They can help your scalp too, promoting circulation and providing nourishment that leads to stronger hair growth. This can lead to stronger and shinier hair, giving you the confidence to flaunt your locks. Imagine having hair that looks and feels amazing. Essential oils are powerful allies in achieving this. A little goes a long way. Just a few drops can make a significant difference. Always dilute them in a carrier oil to ensure they are safe to use and to maximize their benefits. This is important for safe and effective use, preventing any potential irritation or adverse reactions. Let's explore how essential oils can transform your hair care routine. With the right knowledge and application, you can unlock the full potential of these natural wonders. Essential oils work wonders because they have special properties that benefit hair. These properties are good for your hair and scalp health. They can help with many common hair problems effectively. Antioxidants in essential oils protect your hair strands. They fight damage from the sun and pollution daily. This keeps your hair looking young and healthy always. Some essential oils have antibacterial properties too. These oils can help with dandruff and scalp acne. A healthy scalp means healthier hair growth overall. Essential oils can also reduce inflammation significantly. This is helpful if your scalp is irritated or itchy. Less inflammation can lead to less hair loss. There's an essential oil for every hair type and concern. Whether you're dealing with dryness, dandruff, or hair loss, essential oils can offer a natural solution. These oils are extracted from plants and have been used for centuries for their therapeutic properties. Let's look at some popular options and how they can benefit your hair health. Lavender oil is known for its calming scent. It's not just for relaxation, it can also help improve your hair health. It can soothe an irritated scalp, reducing itchiness and dryness. It may even promote hair growth by increasing blood circulation to the scalp. Rosemary oil is great for stimulating hair follicles. This can help in preventing hair thinning and hair loss. Regular use can lead to thicker, fuller hair over time. Tea tree oil is a powerful antibacterial and antifungal agent. It's particularly effective for maintaining a healthy scalp. It's effective for fighting dandruff and scalp infections, keeping your scalp clean and healthy. Peppermint oil creates a refreshing, tingling sensation on the scalp. This sensation is not just pleasant, it has real benefits. It can improve blood circulation and promote hair growth, making your hair stronger and healthier. Coconut oil is technically a carrier oil, but it has amazing benefits for hair. It's rich in fatty acids and vitamins. It deeply moisturizes and conditions the hair shaft, leaving your hair shiny and smooth. Remember to research and choose oils that suit your specific needs. Always do a patch test before using any new oil to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. Section 4. Creating your personalized essential oil hair care routine. Creating a customized hair care routine with essential oils is easy and fun. First, identify your hair type. Is it dry, oily, or normal? Then, consider your hair concerns. Do you have dandruff, hair loss, or dullness? Once you know your hair type and concerns, select essential oils that address them. For example, if you have dry hair, lavender and coconut oil are great choices. You can add a few drops of essential oil to your shampoo or conditioner. You can also create your own hair masks and scalp treatments at home. Section 5. Essential oil safety and precautions. While essential oils are natural, it's important to use them safely. They are highly concentrated and can cause adverse reactions if not used properly. Always dilute essential oils in a carrier oil before applying them to your skin. This helps to prevent skin irritation and ensures that the oils are absorbed more effectively. Common carrier oils include coconut oil, jojoba oil, and almond oil. These oils not only dilute the essential oils, but also provide their own skin-nourishing benefits. Do a patch test before using a new essential oil. This is crucial to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. Apply a small amount to your inner arm and wait 24 hours to see if you have any reactions. If redness or irritation occurs, discontinue use immediately. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult their doctor before using essential oils. Some oils can be harmful to the baby or affect milk production. Keep essential oils away from your eyes and mucous membranes. If contact occurs, rinse thoroughly with water and seek medical advice if necessary. By following these safety tips, you can enjoy the many benefits of essential oils for your hair, skin, and overall well-being. Always prioritize safety to make the most out of your essential oil experience.